Hi, in this lesson, let's understand what is CPM bidding strategy. Before that, let's see few concepts. So, what is an impression? An impression is when you show an ad to the audiences, right? For your understanding, let's divide this impression into two types. One is search impression and another is display impression. So, in the search impression, what happens? When a user comes into search engine and types a query, and if that query matches any of the keywords present in our Google Ads account, our ad appear on the search engine results page. This is the search impression, right? So our impression is shown to users only when he searches. I hope you are understanding me. So in the display impression, what happens? A user visits any of the website or any of the YouTube channel. There our ad will be appearing. Here he is not searching for the or he is not searching for any of the queries. Here we are showing the ads. Okay, so this is the display impression. So let's go into any of the websites. Let's take the same website, that is moneycontrol.com. So I am going here and just continue. Here you see, here this is an impression. Okay, so this is an impression here. Let's move down. Okay, so if you see here, we will be having multiple ads. Let's go here, the top, or let's visit any of the article. This is an impression. Okay, and let's see if ad appears here or not. Okay, you see this is also an impression, right? So all this, so whatever we see, you see this is an impression here, right? This is an impression. So here advertisers are showing ads to the users when they are entering into different websites. Okay, here users are not searching for the ads. Here advertisers are showing to the users. So this is an impression here, right? So I hope you are understanding what is the difference between the search impression and display impression. Okay, here ads are displayed to the audiences, right? So this is an impression. So there is one more concept that you should be aware of, that is viewable impression. What is viewable impression? An ad is counted as viewable if at least 50% of its area is visible for at least 1 second, or when it comes to a video, at least he should be watching at least 2 seconds of it. Okay, so when you see ads on a website, when you scroll down, in some cases you will see only partial ad, right? So here if you see, let's say, okay, so this is an ad. Okay, this is a full impression. Let's say, okay, I am reading here and here ad is appearing. Here it is not appearing to us completely, right? It is only partially visible to us. Okay, so here the complete ad is not showing, right? So do you think paying for such incomplete ads will work for you? No, right? So Google has defined what type of impressions it will be considered for you to pay. So viewable impressions are the ads that are 50% visible to you for at least 1 second. If it is a video, it should be at least viewed at least for 2 seconds. Then only it will be considered as viewable impression, right? So I hope you are understanding me. So in this case, let's say this is the 100% of the ad. If completely is visible, then it is fine. If it is not completely visible according to the Google rules, then it won't be considered as viewable impression. Okay, so I hope you are understanding me. So in the bidding strategies, we have discussed different bidding strategies, right? We have discussed manual bidding strategy, maximize clicks, target impression share, maximize conversions, and maximize conversion value. In all these bidding strategies, what happens? The cost will be incurred only when a user clicks on your ad. Okay, but when it comes to display ads, the cost will be incurred for every 1000 impressions. And now Google has upgraded its policies. The cost will be incurred for every 1000 viewable impressions, right? I hope you are understanding the difference between the impression and viewable impression. So you will be paid only when the 1000 viewable impressions are shown to the audiences, right? So in the CPM bidding strategy, you have two types of bidding strategies. One is viewable CPM bidding strategy and target CPM bidding strategy. We have seen what is viewable CPM bidding strategy. It is very simple, right? You will be paid, or you will the cost will be incurred only when the 1000 viewable impressions are shown to the users. And in target CPM bidding strategy, what happens? So it is similar to what we have discussed in the TCPA. In TCPA, what happens? You will be paid, or you define certain amount to the algorithm that I want conversions below this particular, let's say 20 rupees. Let's say 20 rupees is your target CPM. What let's say 20 rupees is your target CPM. What happens here? So the Google algorithm tries to be at that limit only by end of the month. In the similar way, when you say, or when you set the target CPM, the Google algorithm will limit itself below the TCPM that you will give. Let's say for the TCPM you give 100 rupees. So for the by end of the month you will only see the 100 rupees of the actual CPM, okay, that you will be paying. I hope you are understanding the difference between viewable CPM bidding strategy and target CPM bidding strategy. So when you use target CPM bidding strategy, Google algorithms will be restricted to that amount that you have specified, okay, and with the help of viewable bidding strategy, you will be charged only for the viewable impressions, okay. So in the account, I have run few display campaign here. Let's say for the day of 5th, okay, here if you observe here, you have 2071 impressions, right, and the cost is here 41, 10.48 rupees. But the viewable impressions, you see here, what are the viewable impressions? It is 1720. There is a difference, right? Here the impressions are 2000, but the viewable impressions are 1700. So you will be paid, okay, only on this viewable impressions basis, not on this 2000 impressions. You will be paid, you will be charged only for this 1700 impressions, not for the 2000 impressions, okay. This is the impressions and this is the viewable impressions. I hope you are understanding me how this viewable impression and how this target CPM works, okay. So this is the bidding strategy that is available for display campaign. In display campaign, let's see, okay, this is the campaign that I have run for you to show the metrics, how it will appear in the real time. Let's see what are the different bidding strategies that are available for the display campaign, right. So you see here bidding, you click on it and select a bid strategy directly. You see these are the different bidding strategies that are available. You have manual CPC, you have TCPA, you have maximize clicks, you have maximize conversions, maximize conversion value, and viewable CPM bidding strategy, right. So according to your strategy, you can choose the bidding strategy here. Whatever you choose above, if you choose these bidding strategies, you will be charged according to the click, and if you choose viewable CPM, you will be charged according to the impressions. That is the viewable impressions here, right. So I hope you are understanding about this viewable impression bidding strategy or the cost per mile bidding strategy. So I hope I suggest you to go through this lesson once again, so that you will be understanding what is this CPM bidding strategy, that is cost per 1000 impressions. So in the CPM, M means mile, mile means here 1000. So that is the name the Google has given to this bidding strategy, okay. I hope you have understood this lesson. We will meet in the next one.